Hello explorers and welcome to this week's episode. We haven't seen you guys in a while, so welcome to yet another Bushveld weekend getaway here at Africamps Waterberg. This is a boutique glamping spot. But this place is pretty cool. We'll show you later in this video the massive big pool that's communal and the shop and all the other stuff they have to offer. But let's show you what this tent has got. So on this side we have a nice couch with a table, a fireplace for the cold winter nights, but we won't be needing that this weekend because the forecast says 36 degrees. A fully equipped kitchen, gas stove, there's a microwave hiding in the cupboard, bar fridge, but let's show you the sleeping arrangement. So this tent sleeps 5 people. On this side there's a nice big double bed at the bottom and a 3/4 bunker bed on top. Some storage for your clothes, they offer you a blanket. This side has a fan. Unfortunately this unit doesn't have an aircon. There's a fan on each side, but let's show you the bathroom. So in the bathroom there's a toilet and a nice big shower. So on this side of the tent there's another big double bed, some storage and a fan. But the best part about this place is the view. Come, let's show you the view on the outside. I can already see this is going to be an amazing Limpopo sunset. On the outside you have a nice woodfire hot tub, and on this side you have a braai, 2 lounge chairs to enjoy the sunset, and a table if you want to enjoy your dinner on the outside. This place looks absolutely amazing. So for those of you who don't know, this is a wood fire hot tub. So how this works is, you make fire in this bin over here to heat up the water, and you can use the wooden stirrer to make it nice and even, and you can enjoy the amazing sunsets. Okay, so now that the hard work is over, aka packing out, we started the fire and we're just going to take some time and enjoy this amazing sunset.
Okay, so we opted for an easy dinner as our Friday afternoons are quite short at our accommodation.
Yeah, so tonight is burger night. I just finished braaiing the patties, so let's get to building. Okay, so now that we're done building this looks amazing. So we're gonna stuff this in our faces and have a quick dip in the hot tub. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for coffee. Good morning guys, we had a very nice rest last night. Now it's time for some coffee. Skippy, did you sleep well?
Lovely, thank you.
Yeah, as per usual, Skippy had to choose some interesting activity for us to do, so we're gonna finish this coffee and then go on a hike. But make sure you stay tuned to see what's on the menu for dinner tonight. You would not want to miss that. We are here at reception now where the communal pool is, but before we show you all the amenities, let's go on this hike. I must say, this is quite an interesting hiking experience. It feels like you are walking on the beach with the soft sand, but you're actually in the bushveld. And we're not even a kilometer into this hike. We just spotted some kudu about 50 meters away from us in the veld. I'll put that clip in here.
So I wanted to go and show Joe the wooden deck. So you have to follow the white and blue trail as you see earlier. And now we come at a point where the blue and the white splits. So we just take the left on the white route. It's plus minus 1.3 kilometers into the white route hike. We made it to the deck. Are you ready for the view? Let's go.
Kids, remember to always look left, right and left before you cross the road. So we are almost back to the start. As you guys can see, this sand is pretty thick. It wasn't a difficult hike, but in some places the sand is quite thick, so it feels like you're going 2 steps forward and 1 step back. But it was a beautiful hike underneath all the trees, spotting some animals, and the view from the deck was amazing. But let's show you all the amenities here by reception. So we just spent the afternoon relaxing. It was very hot today. Took a dip in the tub and then watched the epic sunset.
So it's time for dinner now. I was a bit tired of the original braai with sides, so thank you to very good friends of ours for sharing this amazing recipe with us.
Yeah, so I told Skippy I don't mind trying something else in a weekend away as long as there's meat involved. So my participation in this is to braai the meat medium rare. So Skippy, take us through the rest of the ingredients.
Okay, all you need is some rocket, pasta, linguine preferably, mushrooms in a Parman mushroom sauce, onion and garlic. What you do is you cook the pasta, you cook these ingredients together, and we'll show you the end results now. So this is the end result. Pasta, mushroom sauce, rib-eye and the rocket as garnish. Bon appetit!
Today was a busy and very hot day. Dinner was absolutely amazing. We just got in bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning with our final thoughts and review about this place. Good night. Good morning guys. Unfortunately it's our departure morning, so we thought we'll just jump in here and give you our review about this place.
So we will rate this place an 8 out of 10 in the summer and 9 out of 10 in the winter. An aircon would be highly appreciated in this scorching heat, and they didn't have a braai tong, but we'll recommend this place 100% for a weekend getaway.
Yeah guys, if you like our content, please consider subscribing and we'll see you guys in the next adventure. Bye.